What's up, Tech? Thanks to Fun here from TechRight. Today we have the LG Stylo 4 from Boost Mobile versus the LG Stylo 4 from Metro PCS. Which phone is better? Stay tuned to find out. Alright guys, before we start everything, I actually have 8 applications right here for each of the phones, and that's how we're going to do the speed test. We're also going to turn off the phones and we're going to restart them, see which one boots up first, and that's going to be a part of the speed test as well. But first of all, I just wanted to compare both of these devices straight off the bat. The first thing that I think I can show you guys straight away is that this device doesn't have NFC. So the Boost Mobile LG Stylo 4 does not have NFC. The Metro PCS one does have NFC, but everything else on the Boost Mobile version, as far as the drop down menu, we do have 5G, so we do have a 5 gigahertz band on the LG Stylo 4 for Boost Mobile, same as the one on Metro PCS. Now, the big difference that I saw in between these screens is that this is an IPS display. This is a TFT display, so definitely a difference. I saw a difference straight away. So this one is definitely an inferior screen to the LG Stylo 4 on Metro PCS. Metro PCS screen looks better to me. This one looks a tiny bit pixelated, like it was 720p. But it's still usable, honestly. Alright guys, next we're going to be taking a look at price. If we're talking about the price on the Boost Mobile version, you can get it at Walmart for $129. Boost Mobile will have it in their actual stores, but once it hits their shops, it's going to be $200, so I'd definitely buy it from Walmart. Now, as far as the Metro PCS version, there are a few different things you can do. Number one, you could just buy the phone right out, which is $179. It's usually $239, but you're going to get all the offers and you're going to get the discounts. But the cool thing is, if you port a number into Metro PCS, you're actually going to get this phone for $0. So you're basically getting this phone for free. If you guys already have a Metro PCS line, I honestly would just go to a very, very cheap carrier, get a flip phone, and then transfer your number over to Metro PCS and get a free LG Stylo 4. It's honestly simple stuff right there. Next thing I wanted to talk about is the dialer application. As you guys see on the Boost Mobile version, we don't have video calling. If you guys are frequent users of video calling and you actually need this, then this is going to be on the Metro PCS version only. Now, for the Boost Mobile version, I don't know if they're going to get the update. They might or might not, but as of right now, the Metro PCS LG Stylo 4 is the only LG Stylo 4 that has video calling. Next, let's just go ahead and get into a few specifications. Now, these are both 6.2-inch screens. The next thing that I wanted to take a look at is the processor. So both of these phones are rocking a octa-core processor. This one is going to have the 1.5 gigahertz, but this one is actually 1.8 gigahertz octa-core processor. As far as everything else, they are the same. LG Stylo 4 Metro PCS has 0.3 more for its processor, so it's definitely going to be more powerful. Both of these devices still have 2 gigabytes of RAM. That's one of the things that we complained with the Metro PCS version, but hey, Boost Mobile didn't get too good either. As far as the back of the phones right here, the body style is definitely the same placement for the camera, same for the fingerprint sensor and LED flash right there. But the thing that's different on the Boost Mobile version, you can't really see it right now, but there is a different pattern. It's kind of like a very, very faint linear pattern on the back of the Boost Mobile version, and I actually like it better than this Metro PCS version. Both these devices have the same metal on these sides, but the thing that I notice is they still scratch pretty easily. So the Boost Mobile version definitely scratches as easy as the Metro PCS version. They have the same material. They're using that soft plastic that they used on this one. And I don't think that's going to change anytime soon. But that is the information that I wanted to give you guys. Let's go ahead and go to the recent applications right here. Now, I wanted to show you guys something really quick before I start all of this. Now, we're going to be in settings right now. And for the Boost Mobile version, we're going to go to developer options. All right, guys, so you might be asking, why are we in developer options? So what we're going to go ahead and do is turn the animation scales down. Now, they are on 1x in their native state. So we're going to put them on animation off, each one of them, so we can get a accurate test when we're doing the speed test. So let's turn all the animations off. As you guys see, no animations right there. And we are going to get the best results. So let's go ahead and turn these phones down, boot them up, see which one pops up first, start doing this, and then we're going to actually test them on the Antutu Benchmark for the final result. So let's go ahead and turn off these phones. All right, guys, let's go ahead and boot up these phones. Now keep in mind the Boost Mobile one's on the left, the Metro PCS is on the right. Okay, so the Metro PCS one did boot up first. Still waiting on the Boost Mobile, and the Boost Mobile one finally booted up. Okay, so Metro PCS wins for the first part of the test. Let's go ahead and open these devices. Now, as you guys see, animations are off. As you guys see right there, no recent apps. We're gonna go ahead and do a little speed test right here. Let's go ahead and clear everything up. All right, guys, so we have 8 applications on each of the phones. Obviously, Boost Mobile on this side, Metro PCS on this side. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get the Antutu Benchmark first. 3, 2, 1, go. Metro PCS got it right there, just by a hair, actually. Let's go ahead and boot up YouTube next. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, Boost Mobile actually got that first. Next, we have the settings. 3, 2, 1, go. Metro PCS got it by a hair. Next, we have the camera. 3, 2, 1, go. Looks like they got it at the same exact time. Next thing we have is the phone. So 3, 2, 1, go. Metro PCS got it by a hair. Next thing we have right here is temp run. Now this is going to take a little bit more power, so let's go ahead and do this real quick. 3, 2, 1, go. Looks like Metro PCS version booted it up first. Wow, killed it by a lot. Let's actually go ahead and try this game, see how it runs on both these devices. Now this isn't a super graphic intensive game, so Metro PCS 1 looking better so far. Both games run good. Both games definitely run good though. Alright guys, next thing we're gonna go and run is Helix Jump in 3, 2, 1, go. So it looks like Metro PCS got that first. Let's go ahead and do the calculator in 3, 2, 1, go. Metro PCS got it first. All right, guys, so it looks like Metro PCS got most of them. Next thing we're gonna go and do is do an actual test based on all the specifications and everything inside the phone, and that is the Antutu Benchmark test. Now this is going to be a very, very accurate benchmark test with the Boost Mobile version of the LG Stylo 4 against the Metro PCS version. So get ready, we're gonna go ahead and put these head to head. Stay tuned. All right guys, so this is the moment we've been waiting for. Let's go ahead and press the test buttons real quick though. Boost Mobile on the left, Metro PCS version on the right. As you guys see, we got a recent score of 67,259. Let's see how these go up against each other. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright guys, so just as I thought, the Metro PCS version did kind of kill the Boost Mobile version by about 12,000 points, so that's pretty crazy. Let's go ahead and start off with the loser, or the Boost Mobile version. Starting off with the CPU, we got a score of 26,382, defeating 7% of users. Compared to the Metro PCS version, we got a 31,940 score, defeated 22% of users. For the Boost Mobile GPU, we got a score of 4,577, defeating 3% of users. On the Metro PCS side, we got a GPU score of 10,156, defeating 9% of users. For our UX score, we actually got very close to the Metro PCS version on Boost Mobile side. We got a score of 15,968, defeating 13% of users. And for our UX score in the Metro PCS version, we got a score of just about 1,400 over the Boost Mobile version at 17,398, defeating 18% of users. Now for our MEM score, these were the closest scores that came to be, and we got a score of 4,483 on the Boost Mobile version compared to a score of 4,405 on the Metro PCS version. So in total, the Metro PCS version beat the LG Stylo 4 for Boost Mobile by about 12,000 points. So we got a score of 63,899 versus 51,410. So a much bigger score on the Metro PCS side. So Metro PCS definitely won in this round. They have the better specifications, they have the better screen, they have the better price as well. But definitely put your opinions in the comments down below. I would love to hear what you guys have to say. If you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below, as well subscribing if you guys are not a part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit that notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.